Bonjour, it's your boy Ben. How you doing today? I'm great, thank you for asking. We're traveling to the bottom of the seafloor in Bayside, Melbourne. And look at this, already retrieved something between my fingers. 'Tis a wee little tooth of a primitive dolphin, maybe even that, of a river dolphin. Woo!
Whoa! Dolphins! Everybody loves dolphins, and prehistoric dolphins are no exception. This 5 million year old tooth poses quite the quandary. Does it belong to a type of river dolphin? Well, as we discussed in a previous episode and based on the available evidence, it's almost impossible to say. What we can say though is that this was a relatively small dolphin by dolphin standards, only getting to about 2 meters in length. They had over 100 teeth in the jaw for snapping up slippery prey like squid and fish. Only 20 odd teeth have ever been found in the fossil record of Bayside and are currently housed in the collection of Museums Victoria. This is a rare tooth, to say the least. Whoa!
All right, everybody, hold your breath, grab your snorkel. We're diving down in Bayside, Melbourne. Oh, I've got to waft the sands away for this one. Check it out, it's loose. It's part of the jaw of a giant type of ghost shark known as Edaphodon.
Whoa! Ghost sharks, otherwise known as chimeriforms, are bizarre. Neither a true bony fish nor shark, they represent a strange intermediate between the two. Across much of southern Australia today, the most common chimeriform is the elephant fish, with a strange fleshy nose it uses to plow into the sand to find its prey. This jaw section comes from an animal that superficially would have looked very similar to the elephant fish, but was drastically different in terms of size. Edaphodon was a 3-meter long chimeriform. Think of something the size of a horse. It would have used this jaw section to crush small invertebrates such as sea urchins in its mouth. This was the very first piece of evidence of giant chimeriforms from Site B in Bayside. Whoa! Whoa! Thank you so much for watching this video. If you've liked what you've seen, check out our description below or go to my bio. There you'll find our Patreon with never before seen footage of what it takes to find these fossils on the bottom of the sea floor. There is a staggering amount of work that goes into finding these fossils and making these videos, and it is only with your help that we can preserve the heritage of Melbourne. It's critical to note that each of the specimens that you've seen will make their way into the State Repository of Museums Victoria, where scientists from all over the world will be able to study them forever. So thank you for watching, and donate if you can. Ben out. Whoa! Whoa! Like and subscribe and join us next week as we find evidence of the macroraptorial sperm whales, my favourite prehistoric animals, and evidence of king-sized penguins. You won't want to miss it.